Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Hi. So I'm back again guys with another reaction video to the Young Royals cast. So this is the Young Royal cast, our best friends. Yes, you read that right. So let me see what these guys gonna be giving us.
Hej, jag heter Edvin Ryding och jag spelar prins Wilhelm.
Och jag heter Omar Rudberg och jag spelar Simon i nya Netflix-serien Young Royals.
Och idag så ska vi se hur bra vi känner varandra egentligen i verkliga livet.
Let's go!
I would say Omar.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Va?
Ooh, don't know that one.
3, 2, 1. Okej.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Did he spell Scorpion wrong? Which artist most listened to on Spotify?
3, 2, 1.
I would have said Billie Eilish because he talks about it in that interview that we did.
Nej!
Food.
3,
Music.
3, 2, 1.
Allt latinamerikanskt, erkänn. Det är typ sant.
I think Edwin is.
3, 2, 1. Åh, vad gulligt! Jag råkade säga innan.
Who's the better dancer? I will hopefully Omar. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
What is the best thing about working together? The chemistry.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Åh, fint!
Ändå.
Jävlar!
I could laugh while filming. Probably Omar.
2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Ja.
It's probably Omar.
Tack så jättemycket för att ni har kollat. Jag tycker att det är ganska uppenbart att vi är bästa vänner.
Och glöm inte att kolla på Young Royals. Den är ute på
Oh,
Netflix.
they better promote.
See ya.
Bye. So stupid, I can't. I'm curious though. Are they actually are they gay in real life? I want to know. I'm Sax. I want to know. Maybe I need to do my own research and be nosy, but curious. You know, some of you guys are really good fans of them before they even came to Netflix, and some of you guys are fans of them after watching the shows. And are they actually gay in real life? I don't really know. Either way, they're very good actors, so which is great because there's a lot of production companies I used to watch. One of them, what was it called? Wolfie. They perform everything like LGBT related series and movies and stuff. And some of their acting, ooh, but I watched it anyway because I support. But some of it was like, ooh. But this was a really good show. So thanks to everyone who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I can't wait for season 2. I am praying for season 2 to come. I can't wait for next year for season 2 to come. And I'm praying Netflix don't cancel it because Netflix love to give us shows to get people to come in and then cancel it. They love it's all about money. Remember, capitalist is everything. Oh, I'm not sorry. Capitalism is everything. As much as people hate it. Well, that's how the world works. But as always, who can you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.